Alrighty guys, we got a Donkey Stomper 8-pill 800 HD-HG repair review. It's a fairly newer box. There's a little hot oil in it. Drop some pills. We got her up and running. A little test video. What else she's doing. We're gonna look at our straight through tune to start with. It's a straight through SWR. Worldwide 0. Alright, we're gonna turn it on. Show the input tune. Worldwide, we got just a little bit, but not bad. Worldwide, get on down. Alright, that's radio drive. Output reflect. Worldwide, radio drive. 1000 watt slug PP, radio drive. Worldwide, 500 peak. Alright, I'm gonna go up here and hit the driver. Little Texas Star, 350, and turn it wide open. I got the key set. Now I'm going to show you what this thing does, okay? We're going to look at our 200, our 1000 watt scale. We'll look at our 200. Well, we should be doing about 200. 200 peak in, okay? Now you see we're keying really low, okay? Now we're going to turn this thing on. Now what we want to look at to start with is our dead key on our 8-pill. So we're keying 300. That's a little high, okay? You want to try to go for 200. So we barrel back to 200. I like to set an 8-pill on 200. Alright. Now we're going to come back down here. We got it set on 200. We're going to look at our input tune driven. This is the input side of the box. Shows that the box is tuned properly. Worldwide. You see it going back to 0 when you talk? Now that's driven. Worldwide. Here's our output tune. This shows the output tune on the box is tuned properly. 5 watt reverse. Worldwide, half a watt. Alright, we're gonna look at our 1000 watt slug, average power. Worldwide. So we're talking LO, worldwide 900 average, 1000 average. Alright. This one's pretty hot now. I was real careful with it. I want to make sure it's a good one. And it's all like it ought to be. Look at our 2500 watt. We're in that top scale, okay? The 5's 500, 10's 1000, 1500, 1500, 22,000. Worldwide, donkeys, stomper, worldwide, test. Get on down 200 drive, get on down 200 drive, worldwide. Smoked too many years. I don't smoke anymore, but I smoked too many years. Worldwide, donkeys, stomper, worldwide. Here's your 1000 watt average. Still ain't unkeyed. Worldwide. Beating Jesus out of it. 1000 watt slug. Still ain't unkeyed. Worldwide. Here's your output tune. Worldwide. I just want to show you she's good to go. She just lukewarm. But there she is. Like I said, you got to keep your dead key 200 or less overall. SWR below 1.3. But there she is. She's up and running for you, man. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the box. Your friend 10-018 Beavis. Catch you later. Bye-bye.